has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties/areas. Santa Clara, California, at 2:09 am on Jan 22nd, 2021, effective until 3:09 am. Message from EAS. This is an activation of the NERP Unified Alert Origination System. The Santa Clara Sheriff's Department is asking residents in the area of Chester Avenue and Sobey Road to shelter in place until further notice. The Santa Clara Sheriff's Department is searching for a residential burglary suspect last seen in the area. Residents within the area are asked to remain indoors and report any unusual and suspicious activity to law enforcement by dialing 408-299-2311 or by